Every Makhana begins its journey beneath these peaceful lotus-covered waters.
Hidden beneath these giant leaves, thorny fruits grow silently underwater.
When the fruit ripens, it opens naturally and releases its precious black seeds. After floating briefly, the seeds settle quietly at the bottom of the pond. Experienced farmers carefully harvest the mature Makhana seed by hand. Skilled farmers collect every seed by hand, using traditional bamboo baskets. The freshly harvested seeds are washed thoroughly to remove mud and algae. The harvested seeds are washed thoroughly to remove mud and impurities. The cleaned seeds are dried under the sun until the moisture is completely gone. The drying is followed by slow roasting to reduce the remaining moisture. Now the seeds are roasted at high heat to prepare them for popping. After roasting, the seeds are allowed to cool naturally. Each roasted seed is carefully cracked to reveal the soft white makhana. Inside every black seed is the soft, fluffy white makhana we enjoy. Each makhana is graded carefully according to its size and quality. After grading, the makhana is hygienically packed for customers.
From village ponds to your home.
This is the amazing journey of Makhana.
Now I finally understand where Makhana comes from and how it's made.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more wonderful stories.